Krista McDowell with Vivo Pools and Vivo Spas in Southern California, and I'm going to tell you how to repair a hot tub jet. Most hot tub jets will come out with just a small counterclockwise turn like this. So at this point you can determine if you have a bad seal or a cracked jet, if it needs to be replaced or just repaired. And then you would just reinstall it with a small clockwise turn like that. I'm Krista McDowell with Vivo Pools and Vivo Spas in Southern California, and that's how you repair a hot tub jet.